Your loan portal is an easy, secure way to keep track of your progress toward a mortgage loan. When you log in to Mortgage Circles, you'll be able to communicate with your loan officer, complete your 1003 loan application, upload and receive files, review and update property details, and more. To get started, open the Mortgage Circles website in your internet browser. You will also need to open the email sent to you by your loan officer about your new portal. In this email, you will be given a Mortgage Pro ID and a password for access to your portal. To log in, just put this information into the Mortgage Circles website in the upper right corner of the page. Your loan officer may provide you with a password in a separate email for security purposes. Alternatively, you can log into Mortgage Circles using the last 4 digits of your Social Security number as the password, if you have already supplied your loan officer with this information. The first page you will see upon logging into Mortgage Circles is the dashboard. This screen will give you a brief overview of your loan status, including any milestones you have completed in your mortgage process, any documents that you need to upload or sign electronically, how much of your loan application you have completed, and other relevant information. To the right, you will find a log of any messages sent between yourself and your loan officer. This will include any images and SMS text messages sent too. Below, you can use the pre-approval calculator to enter information regarding your income, credit score, and mortgage in order to request pre-approval. This tool also lets you see a detailed payment breakdown and estimated payment schedule for a potential loan. You can also chat with Maya, your mortgage AI assistant. She is always available to help you with your mortgage loan, whether that be through answering questions about mortgage terms, checking on your loan status, or getting a quote. At the top of each page, you'll see contact information for your loan officer. To the right, you'll also see your own. You can click your profile information to switch between loans with this company or to log out of Mortgage Circles. To the left, you will see a series of icons. This is the navigation menu for your portal. When you hover over these icons, you can see the various options available and open those pages. You can return to the dashboard at any time by clicking the topmost option in this menu. The tools and options shown below may differ from those that your loan officer has enabled for your loan portal. If you see something here that doesn't show up in your portal, you can always contact your loan officer. In the Loan App page, you can fill out your 1003 loan application form online. Instead of a confusing paper form, this tool lets you go through the application step by step via this portal site. The application form you see here will be customized for you by your loan officer. The best part about this loan application is that you can stop at any time without losing your progress. Whenever you click the Save and Continue to Next button at the bottom of the page, the data entered will be saved. When you log into your portal again later, you can pick the application up right where you left off. If your loan officer has enabled this feature, you can ask questions about the application process using the Quick Contact box to the right of the form. The My Documents page hosts a list of all documents that your loan officer has requested that need to be signed electronically and that you have uploaded. You can navigate between these lists using the toggle switch in the upper right corner. If your loan officer requests that you send them documents, you will see a description of the requested file, the date it was requested, and the date you need it submitted by. To the right, you can use the Upload link to find the file from your computer and submit it. Your loan officer may also send you forms that you can sign securely online. This can include full signatures, initials, dates, and more. Lastly, you can see a list of files that you have uploaded and that your loan officer has made available for your access. To send or store documents here, click the Upload button above this list. You can always delete files that you have uploaded that you no longer wish to be available here, but you cannot delete files that your loan officer has shared with you. On the My Property page, you can check the information your loan officer has available for your mortgage property. If they have enabled the feature, you can also search for nearby listings by entering the address information here. Doing so will show comparative rate data for local property listings. The Refinance Analysis page will show any potential refinance plans that your loan officer has created and sent to you. Using your mortgage information, your loan officer can showcase potential savings and compare various refinance plans here. When you view these refinance analyses, you can read the various plan proposals, run calculations for the loan programs, and review a detailed breakdown of the pros and cons of each option. This lets you educate yourself and make the best possible choice. If any mortgage partners are helping with your loan, like a realtor, listing agent, or insurance agent, your loan officer will send you their contact information in the Loan Contacts page. Here, you can find the phone numbers, emails, and office locations of these partners so you can stay in communication. If you are having a good experience with your loan officer, you can refer anyone you know who is looking for a mortgage loan or home refinance to them in the Refer a Friend page. Any contact information you send here will only be seen by the loan officer's business. Lastly, you can use the Contact Us page to get in touch with your loan officer directly. You can use the links here to call, message, or email them with any questions or comments.